IELTS Speaking Part 2, Cue Card. Describe someone you know who is good at cooking. You should say who this person is, how you know him or her, what kinds of food he or she cooks, and explain why you think this person is good at cooking.
You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. All right? Remember, you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when the time is up. Can you start speaking now?
I don't really think that we would ever meet anybody who dislikes a person who is remarkably good at cooking. In fact, nothing brings a family closer to each other than some delicious cuisines on the dining table, especially when they are made by a passionate and expert cook. And today I would like to talk about one such cook. The person I would like to talk about today is none other than my aunt, whom I have known for more than the last 25 years, since the days I started to remember things, and who happens to be a frequent visitor to my family. Before meeting my aunt, I had no idea that a person could be so passionate about cooking and taking it to a level of art by spending so much of her time and effort. In fact, my aunt has been so popular within her circle because of her great cooking expertise that she is frequently consulted by friends and foes alike on what kinds of food to cook at certain social functions and gatherings, or how to best cook them. Interestingly enough though, my aunt, we like to call her Rosalind, never really attended any culinary schools or institutes, but she practically knows how to cook many different kinds of cuisines, be it Mexican, Italian, Chinese, or Mediterranean, from across the continents in perfection to the delights of all kinds of food lovers from all ages and cultures. Anyway, I think that Rosalind is really good at cooking because she makes cooking look absolutely easy, no matter what kinds of cuisines she cooks and how many people she is cooking for. In fact, I have always found my aunt to remain in a really relaxed mood while cooking, and yet manage to prepare some surprisingly delicious foods with ease. I think that my aunt is very good at cooking also because she always likes to try new recipes, many of her own, and experiment with them by trying different combinations for hours until she is fully satisfied.
Describe someone you know who is good at cooking.
I feel lucky to have been given this topic, and as soon as I looked at it, I knew that I'd like to talk about my friend Erin, who is an exceptional cook. But before anything else, thank you so much for the opportunity to let me talk about this topic. Erin and I have been close friends since college, and her culinary skills never fail to amaze me. Erin is a dear friend of mine whom I met during our freshman year at university. Over the years, we've shared many memorable moments, including numerous gatherings where she has showcased her talent in the kitchen. As mentioned, Erin and I became friends during our college days. We were part of the same social circle and bonded over our shared interests, including a love for good food and cooking. Erin is incredibly versatile in the kitchen and can whip up a wide range of dishes from various cuisines. From mouth-watering Italian pasta dishes to flavorful Asian stir-fries, and from hearty Mexican tacos to delicate French pastries, Erin's repertoire knows no bounds. She particularly excels in baking, delighting us with her delectable cakes, cookies, and pies on special occasions. Erin's prowess in cooking stems from her innate creativity, attention to detail, and passion for culinary experimentation. She approaches cooking as both an art and a science, meticulously selecting the freshest ingredients, experimenting with different flavor combinations, and paying careful attention to cooking techniques and presentation. Moreover, her genuine love for cooking shines through in every dish she prepares, infusing her creations with warmth, flavor, and love.
Kindly leave the topics or IELTS questions you need answers for in the comment section below. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for new and useful learning material uploaded every day. Thank you for listening.